Hello and welcome to my presentation on my coursework 2 for interactive media development. This is my coursework. It's called Monster Burgers. And a quick recap from my last video. It is a game where you will play as a secret food reviewer and you are tasked to go into the restaurant and to inspect their service, their food and their speed. And to do this, you'll use your phone with you and it will tell you what to do. It will give you the options to use your camera and it will let you put a review at the end. Okay, so now I will demonstrate my coursework. So this is in play mode, so I will press play. And as you can probably hear, it starts off with its own music. And so what I'm going to do is actually going to turn it off just so that you can hear me speak, but I will leave it back on when I submit. So yep, this is my project Monster Burgers, and then you start as a secret shopper. So you click on that, then you see your phone has come up. It says step 1, take pictures of the menu, and then you can click on the next button to bring up the camera. And this camera is a real life camera. It follows the phone camera, and you can take pictures of stuff. But because this is not what you're supposed to do, it will tell you to restart. So yeah, and you can also hide it at any time so you have more screen space and it's easier to see. So these are the menus here, 1, 2, 3 and 4, as well as this special menu that is connected to this server. So it asks for a picture, so I'll go yes, and I'll press order food, and it will show up all the food items. So I'll press take photo, send it, image sent. It confirmed everything. It confirmed that it was actually a picture of the menu and not just a random picture as shown before. And now it will tell me to order food from the cashier, from the menu or cashier. And to order food is very simple. All you have to do is click each of these buttons, hit end, and then you will be able to pay for your order. Instead, I'm going to use a cashier as he's more reactive, and now you'll be able to see his reactions. So when you first click on him, it says, hello, is there anything I can help you with? I kind of missed it, but when you press order button, it says, you say, yes, I'd like to order, and then he says, yes, what would you like to order? So again, it's the same concept really. You press hot dog, and then burger, taco, fries, and basically anything. And you can see he responds with everything he says, one of each. And you press end. He says, here's your order, your total is $17. So then you press pay, you can see all your items and the total amount. You press pay, it says your order is 400, please wait for your order to be ready. You can go here, this is the order screen, it says order 400, then this is the time to prepare, and it's now completed, which means you can now go to the collect station and you can spawn in the items. As you can see, it spawns in all of the items, and you can actually, oh wait, I've got ahead of myself, I forgot. Supposed to collect your food and take a picture, so it automatically detects that you have made an order and it will actually change to the next step, and then it will tell you to take a picture. So you press next and it brings up the camera. So yeah, you put the food inside the camera, you press capture, and then you press send, and it will do the same thing again, image sent. And then he will give you instructions on how to interact with the food items. It will say you can pick up with E and eat with G. So I will hide the phone so you can see it better. So when you look at the food, it will tell you to press E or the inventory button to pick up. This is the inventory button here with the chest icon. So if you click on it, it will let you pick up this, and then if you press on it again, it will drop it on the table or anywhere. So if we pick it back up again, it will say press G to eat, and then if you press G, it will play a eating sound effect. And I picked up this burger, press G to eat it, and it will disappear. Or also when you collect the order from here, it will automatically disappear from this. Now that was the last step, which was to eat. So now we finally got to the review. So you click which ones. It's it's very simple. You click which one you do, and then you leave your review. So after you have made your review, you can click next, and it will say, thank you for your service, you have been rewarded $25. You are now free to do anything, and you can use the camera. As you can see, my amount has gone back up, and yeah, now it's basically finished. Now we can go around, take pictures of stuff, like this machine, and yeah, it's back and you can read it. And that's it. That's my game. Thank you for watching. Now I will explain some code very quickly. So close this, then I will go to my custom. Custom is where I've basically all of the stuff that I've used I've put in here, and then I've separated them into different places. This is downloaded assets. This is like from the Unity store, and this is a mixamo for him and stuff like that. Everything is labeled properly and managed. I will open up my scripts, and then I'll show you. So, okay, which one do I show first? Okay, let's say the phone. The phone is probably kind of quite important. So this is the manager, phone camera manager. It handles a lot of stuff. It has a lot of these different fields that you can use to change different screens when it's needed to. This to turn the camera on, photo camera, changes the material to the camera, which is a raw image, I'm pretty sure. And then this will take the picture, and then when it's done, this is the complete one, and stuff like that. It basically has everything like that. And order script is where you go to order from the screens. So you can see it adds your orders, add the prices up, it writes your list at the end, writes the price, and then this is when you press pay. It will check if you actually can pay, and it won't let you order if you can't pay for it. And after you paid, you get your order number, and then it will go to the cooking screen, which is this one. This one saves all the orders as a separate class, and then it has the order number, remaining time, and if it's completed, yes or no. And then this will do all the logic to count down from the randomly generated time, which should be less than 5 minutes. And then when it is completed, it will update everything to say completed. And then I have another script for collection. It's called spawn items. Nope, it's called pickup. Oh wait,